How's it going, folks? James again with Line Forest. Tonight, down and dirty, we're just going to make a knife out of a railroad spike. Simple little twist. May add a little bit of flair to the twist just to spice it up a little bit, but nothing fancy. So stick with me and we'll have some fun making a knife. Just straighten this thing up, get it cleaned up. It's an old spike, it's got some pitting. Maybe make some more railroad spike tones because the ones above are shitty. Go figure out. Turn this over. Alright, we got to hold up. Alright, got it cleaned up. 4 inches up. Say right about there. I'm going to turn it over. Just give it a little mark. Okay? We don't want to forge any further down than that. Okay? We're going to draw this out a little bit before we do our offset. That way we don't damage the integrity of our handle material. Nice setting right there. Take the cross beam. Draw that blade out some. Flip it over, do the same. Go a little even on both sides. You don't want it lopsided. Try and get some more length on this portion we've got here for the blade. That cross beam, drawing it to the end. Okay, we got about the length that we want, I think, for the blade here. Now we just need to draw it out some so we get some meat in this blade. Let's widen it up. It's starting to take its shape. We got plenty of material here still to draw out. So, spine's still good and thick. We haven't messed up our handle area. We're not fish mouthing there. So all is well. Another heat. I think we'll have this thing drawn out to the width we want. You want to put a line down the center. You got to groove the center of each side from where you want your twist to start and where you want it to stop. So it doesn't have to be too deep, you know, maybe 1/8 inch just so you can see it and make sure you know it's there. around the center, making sure you know where you're going. Know where you're going with your chisel. Then go back and deepen them up. Alright, that's all you need. Do that on each side. You know. Alright, got a line down all four sides, see? All four sides, line down all of them. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it to the vise, we're going to twist it. One full twist. Look down your vise, line it up with your blade. And there you go. Line down the middle of all four sides adds that dimension to it. So, I like it. It kind of adds to the ordinary twist. So, let's straighten that head up a little bit. You can see that head's a little crooked to the handle. So we're going to straighten that up, but I think we're pretty close to calling this thing forged, and then we'll take it to the grinder. Alright? Here we are at the grinder. We're going to go ahead and clean this thing up, just get a rough grind done on it, get our profile, everything shaped in, get our corners rounded up, some bevels, and then we're going to go and harden it as best as you can. You can't get a railroad spike knife extremely hard, but you know, water quench it, don't temper it, leave it at that. So I'm going to let you come with me on the grinder for a minute. Go ahead and get the bevel started, get it down to about a dime thickness. That way you don't have to worry about cracking as much. Of course, the railroad spike, they don't tend to crack, but it can happen when it's thin. So just to be safe, take it down to about a dime thickness, maybe a nickel if you're not comfortable with a dime. Okay, about as thin as you want to go, right there, before you do your heat treatment. We're just going to quench this in some water, and that's it. We're not going to temper it, we're not going to do anything. Don't lose any of the hardness we get from the water if they get in at all. This thing will harden. Bring it out. Clean it off. And she goes, lays it back and forth. Stayed nice and straight. Sweet. Alright. See what we got here. That's a good sign. On the edge there. Higher pitch. See? It's not biting in. Here we go. Hardened to some degree. Will take an edge. May have to sharpen it every once in a while, but she's hard. Let's do a little finish grind on it, sharpen it up, clean it up, and show you what we got. Alright folks, there you have it. One railroad spike knife. What do you think? I like the added dimensions that the lines down the center of each side gives when you twist it. It will cut. It's not razor sharp. So no sense in trying to put a razor sharp edge on it because it will not hold that razor sharp edge. But it will do for a shop knife, pack knife, if you know, want to have something flint steel, you know, sharpen a stick, whatever, lay around the shop, use for a tool. This is your guy. Easy to make, don't take long. I spent 30 minutes to an hour doing this, if that. So yeah, they don't do bad. If you like the video, hit the button. Got any tips, suggestions, if you hate railroad spikes, whatever, leave the comment below. Welcome it all, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because it helps. Lets me know that there are people that want to watch this stuff, so it helps me keep putting content out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.